Hello dear friends. Today we present you a video review of haircuts for short hair length for owners of a complete face type. Fat girls or ladies often limit themselves in choosing the desired hairstyle while going to the salon. And in vain, because almost all the same haircuts go to chubby people, as to owners of more athletic and slender forms. There are only a few exceptions. The most important goal in choosing the right haircut for this type is to achieve a visual narrowing of the face as much as possible. It is strongly not recommended to give preference to torn strands and understated, flat hairstyles. The best option is voluminous hairstyles, but you will have to tinker a little over their styling. The main volume of hair falls on the top of the head. If the strands framing the face are lush, and the upper part of the head is smooth, then the face will become even wider, and the cheeks even fuller. To cover fullness, do not open your face completely. It should be framed by at least a few strands. Today, haircuts for a full type of face are also a current trend. Such haircuts like bob, pixie play a key role here. Caret pixie bob. Bob haircut allows you not only to create a creative bright image but also, thanks to the variety of this fashionable hairstyle, choose the most suitable option. At the top of popularity was an asymmetrical bob haircut with lengthening. It is this haircut option that is very popular today among many girls and women with a full face type, a gorgeous hairstyle that will make the image more unique. Asymmetry is suitable for practically everyone. The main thing is to choose the correct haircut. It is the asymmetry that is a mega fashionable option. Asymmetry can be realized both through smooth transitions and by creating a ragged effect. Stylish short haircuts for a full face type will add notes of freshness and confidence. Do not deny yourself the pleasure. Another fashionable option for bob haircuts is additional volume due to graduation. So, the master, having graduated on the ends of the hair, emphasizes the uniqueness of the fashionable haircut. Short women's haircuts are the way out for those who want to look stylish, unusual, and even creative. If short women's haircuts have so far been not acceptable for you, then it's time to try and look at a new way, allowing yourself the great luxury of changing yourself and your life cardinally. Fashionable short women's haircuts can rejuvenate a woman, change her image, give a gorgeous look and add personality to your appearance. Each representative of the fair sex dreams of emphasizing her advantages as much as possible and hiding minor flaws. In such a delicate matter, all methods are used, from choosing the right clothes to choosing the perfect hairstyle that will harmoniously complement the image and leave an incredible impression in the eyes of men and others. To date, a wide range of haircuts and hairstyles for full face type will allow you to choose the best option that suits each individual case, emphasizing your beauty and femininity. You don't have to be restricted to the same androgynous haircut you've had for years. These 50 top hairstyles are perfect for round faces and offer plenty of options, no matter what hair length, texture, or color you have. Short shaggy layers. A shaggy hairstyle is a great look for round faces because it balances out the curves of the face. Adding a bold color accentuates the layers. The best way to pull off mid-length dots for round faces is to get them layered so that the cascade of layers could sweep along the cheeks. Texture and waves are welcomed, but stay clear of locks that are too done. This can make you look doll-like. For minimizing the widening effect in haircuts for fat faces, it's better to curl the hair closer to the ends rather than from the very roots. Dear beauties, we wish you beauty and happiness. We hope that the video review is useful to you. The best thanks from you is to leave a like and share the video with friends and family. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Up to new meetings.